Meijer was voted one of the best companies to work for in the state of Alabama. There's no way that you can create a workplace that's worthy enough of being named as one of the best places to work. You don't create that environment without everybody in this room working towards it. So I wholeheartedly appreciate each and every one of you, all that you do to make us who we are and to make the work environment what it is, and to create this family, because that's what we are. We spend a lot of time together, and I'm really excited to be able to celebrate this with you guys. So thank you.